Ron knows stuff here, and I love my F-150, but not the way that tailgate just drops open. But for under $20, you can get this little kit, and it comes with everything you need, including thread lock, and I'll leave a link to it in the description. I am an Amazon affiliate store, so if you buy it from me, I do get a spiff, but it's worth the $19 you're going to spend. So I'm using a 10 millimeter here to take off this little bracket, and this bracket does nothing but is a tie down. So you don't really need it for tailgate operation. Now I'm using the supplied torque wrench, I guess, to get that cap off over there. And quite honestly, I wish I had my own, but I don't have a 50 mil star, which is what this is. And that'll come nice and loose. You can see there. And then you just put the supplied bracket underneath it. Now, I should have taken this strap off, so I'm going to go do that now. And now that I've done that, I put some thread lock on the bolt, and that'll keep it in place, and I don't have to worry about that backing out. Very simple. In it goes. Well, here's where I discovered that I should have taken off the strap. So do that first. It's pretty easy. Just use a regular tip screwdriver and it'll pop right off. That'll take the stress off the bolt and make it easier. Now, I was kind of curious as to how that mounting bracket would go in there, but honestly, it just falls into place. So as you tighten it up, it'll secure where it needs to be. Very simple. And once you get it all tightened up, I didn't quite finish tightening it until I did the bottom bracket because I just wanted to make sure everything I was doing was going to work. But it's real simple to do this. And I'm telling you, I made it look harder than what it is, but very simple. Then you take your 10 millimeter socket here, and you're going to take one bolt completely out, and then you loosen the other bolt. That allows you to slip the bracket in that they give you for the lower section without removing the tailgate. Because if you took out both bolts, the tailgate would just flop right down, and you don't want that. So here I'm loosening the other bolt, and then I'll grab the bracket in the kit, put some thread lock on the one that I took all the way out, and just tighten everything up. So as I mentioned, I do have an Amazon affiliate store, and I do get a spiff. This video is not sponsored, but I've got the running boards and just about all the accessories I've gotten for my F-150 from Amazon are in my store. So I'll put those in there for you too. And as you can see, some thread lock goes a long way, and I'll just tighten that up. And you can see this video is about 4.5 minutes long, and it really doesn't take much longer than that to do this project. Just take your time. Make sure that you tighten all the bolts good and tight and use that thread lock to hold everything in place. Once that's done, you have your shock here. Now, I've seen people install this wrong, and what I mean by that is you want to put the cylinder on the top and the rod end at the bottom, and you'll kind of see what I mean. But it just presses on, and you see that? The rod is there. Okay, so now when we hook up the top, you'll see that the cylinder stays on the top. That's better because water will not flow into the cylinder and it'll last longer. So you just simply just press it on, which I'll do right here. Clip. And there it is. And then I'll just put my weight strap back on. And let's see how it looks, huh? Nice, smooth operation. Wow, I can't believe that. Now you can buy a 2-pack of these for heavier tailgates, but I don't see it as necessary. They do give you this nice little edge protector, so you can put that on if you want. I didn't see it rubbing, but if you want it, go ahead and put it on. You see there's nice close tolerances, but everything's nice and good. So let's give it a go. Look at that. Now I really love my tailgate drop, huh? Ron knows stuff, Mrs. Ron knows stuff, and now you know stuff too. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and thanks so much for watching.